Going on with 2 minutes that can improve your business using AI. Here we have the settings tab again. Hit the little dot, go to the settings, and here you have all kinds of things how you can customize how your app will look. Right now I have the dark theme on. You can change it to light. I like dark. My eyes have trouble with the light theme. You can have it auto detect your language. Choose English or whatever you would like. Then there's also a voice. When you use the voice function, this is how it will talk
Hi
to
there.
you.
Nice to meet you. I'm excited to help you get things done. Let's get started.
And you can check them all out.
Hey, I'm ready to hit the ground running. So if there's anything you'd like me to focus on first, just let me know.
And see which ones you like.
Hi there. I just want to share how thrilled I am to work with you, and I can't wait to get started. So what's the game plan?
You can change your voice, your language, and your theme settings. Then this is where we already talked about personalizations. You can check all of these things and see how they attribute to you. We will go over them more in depth later. Today, I just wanted to go over these settings on this screen for today, and we will be back with some of the other personalizations and connections, going through them a little more in depth in the coming weeks. Have a great day, guys.